As children, we aspired to create. We weren't afraid to dream and dream big. We played with remote control cars and toy medical sets, racing against bedtimes and patching up our friends' skinned knees. We made up stories.
3, 2, 1.
And let our imaginations run wild.
We have liftoff.
We were curious. We were fearless. That same fearless curiosity still drives us today. And our latest innovation will help turn your biggest dreams into possibilities. Rediscover your fearless curiosity with the latest milling solution coming soon from GF Machining Solutions.